To connect Shopify, I'll follow the steps in this guide. In our Allpay account, go to Settings, then Integrations, and find Shopify. Click Connect Store. You'll be taken to the Allpay Secure Payment page in the Shopify App Store. That's what we need. Click Install, then confirm the installation. Now scroll down and click Activate to enable the Allpay plugin. That's essentially it for the installation. Back in our Allpay account, you can see the store has been linked to our Allpay account automatically. Next, we need to do the following. In Shopify, go to Settings, Notifications, Webhooks. Click Create Webhook. Set the event to Checkout Update. Keep format, JSON. Paste the URL. Choose the webhook API version marked Latest, and save. Okay, that's done. I'll make one more adjustment so VAT is passed correctly. Go to Taxes and Duties and, at the very bottom of the page, enable these two checkboxes. Save the changes. That's it. Nothing else required. One important note. While test mode is enabled here, payments will run in test mode, meaning they aren't real charges. Let's see it in action. I'll open the catalog and place an order. Shipping is calculated. VAT is calculated. We click Pay and land on the Allpay payment page. Here we can use the test card details and complete the payment. The payment was successful. Now let's return to the store and check the orders page. There's a new order and its status is paid. In our Allpay app, we see the same order, marked Test Mode, meaning it was processed in test mode, and the green status indicates it's paid. VAT is calculated correctly. If you want to let customers pay in installments, you can enable installments in the store settings and set the maximum number of payments a customer can choose, say 5. You can also set the minimum order amount, for example, 10,000 shekels. I'm going back. This setting is saved. Now, for orders of 10,000 shekels or more, the customer will be able to split the payment into up to 5 installments. Keep in mind this works only for Israeli credit cards. Now it's important to do the following. Go back to the installed app settings in Shopify and turn off test mode. Disable it and save. From now on, payments will be processed in live mode. That is, real payments. You can also show Apple Pay and BIC buttons on the payment page. It's very simple. In Allpay, go to Settings, Payment Modules, select Apple Pay. Mine is already active, but you would click Activate. Then open BIT and activate it as well. After that, these buttons will appear on the payment page as additional payment options for the customer.